India in its current stage is very different from the India how it supposed to be. इन भारत जो आज है वो बहुत ही अलग है उस भारत से जो भारत था या जिसके बारे में स्क्रिप्चर्स में लिखा है. सो इफ एवरीथिंग गोज टू जीरो एंड वी स्टार्ट to figure out what this land is, what the values here are, it's going to tell completely different story from what it is right now. Like today's India, the modern India, it has shame around menstruation when they literally worship a bleeding goddess, Ma Kamakhya. Today's India, the modern India, they have a taboo around sex when they are literally from the land of Kama Sutra. Today's India, which clearly doesn't like two opposite sex people to talk to each other and they sexualize it, whether they are two kids talking to each other, are from the land where Yoni and Ling are worshipped. So it just doesn't make any sense. What is India? What is Bharat if not the Bharat which is written? There is no civilization in world which wrote about everything of life's aspect, who actually celebrated philosophy, gave birth to the world's most celebrated philosophical ideas other than India. And this is exactly the land where philosophy is not taken seriously. If I know nothing about Bharat and I am a foreigner, let's say, and I come to visit India, what I look at if I go to Rajasthan, art all around, from food to culture to dress to music to architect to roads, everything is art. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, India is full of art. India has literally the most amount of art. Actually, world's greatest museums are full of Indian art scenes, Indian statues, Indian things. So how come art is not celebrated in India? Art is not encouraged in India. A land which is this rich in art doesn't celebrate art anymore, and the modern Indians say that art is not a real career, art is not something that you pursue, art is not something that you should take interest in. This is not the India that I know from the books. Like, if I don't know India from the books, I'm going to think that it is such a third class world country and such a backward country. So the problem is exactly that the India our scriptures tell us is not the India that we live in. The India that India was accepted people. The India that India was accepted every color, race, height, size and everything. But the India that India is working on some kind of measure which is not really Indian, is trying to fit somewhere which is not the thing which can ever contain India. Because Bharat is the soul which is dying, and who can save it? The people. But does it look like that people give a shit? They don't. Indians are very busy accepting everything else other than finding out what they are. Why are you believing what people tell you what you are? No one can tell you what you are. You have to figure out for yourself. People tell you that you are world's third class country, but evidences says otherwise. Why is India not the India that India was? Yes, invasion fucked us, but that's not something that we can't get over with. The first thing that needs to stop is Indian hate by Indians to India. Only then these things can change. Otherwise, people are going to make fun of Indians, and Indians are clearly going to accept that with open arms because they don't know what they are. So they'll side with even bullies. The great Indian dilemma is the India that we read about and the India that we live in are not the same. And they can't be same as long as people are too busy accepting every other bullshit that they are told about India. They have to figure it out for themselves. There are enough proofs for you to go through and figure the freak out what you are.